In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your TCL Smart TV. Now, over here is my TCL Android TV, and I'm going to be taking you through two methods you can download and install apps on this TCL Smart TV. I'll be showing you how to get apps from the Google Play Store of your TCL Smart TV, and for the second solution, I'll be showing you how to download and install third-party apps and APK that are not on the Google Play Store into your TCL Smart TV. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is connected to the internet, and once that is done, for the first method, you want to basically head over to the app section of your TCL Smart TV. So just scroll over to this app section over here, and from here you can literally find the Google Play Store. It is usually pre-installed, so you will definitely find it on your TCL Smart TV. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store over here. And once the Google Play Store loads, you can basically just sort through all of the apps we have over here and select any app you want. At the bottom, there are also different categories you can actually select from, so lifestyle, tools, sports, and so on and so forth. And at the top of your Google Play Store, we have the search bar over here, so you can search for specific apps you want. And alternatively, at the top as well, we have the games section where you can literally find all of the games apps that are available to download on your TCL Smart TV. Now, to download any app, you specifically just want to go ahead and search for that application, or just select it if you can find it from over here. Let's take, for instance, if I want to download and install the TuneIn app over here, I'll go ahead and select it, and then just click on the install button. Then give the TV some few seconds to properly download and install the app automatically by itself. And once the app is downloaded and installed, if you come over to the home of your TCL Smart TV and then just come over to this app section, scroll down, you're going to see that we now have the TuneIn app available to use on our TCL Smart TV. But this is basically a simple way to get apps from the Google Play Store. If you want to be able to download third-party apps that are not on the Google Play Store, to do this, again, you have to make sure that your TCL Smart TV is connected to the internet. Head over to the Google Play Store one more time, and then you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader from the Google Play Store. So head over to the search icon, then come over here and search for Downloader. It's a very popular app, and we're going to be using this app to sideload other third-party apps and APK into our TCL Smart TV. You can literally see the Downloader app by AFTV News, so I'll go ahead and select it. In my case, the app is already installed, so you just want to click on the install button and make sure you download and install this app into your TCL Smart TV. Once that is done, go ahead and click on the open button over here. Now, this is basically how the home page of the Downloader app looks like. And to properly use this app, you want to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of your Downloader app. So just scroll over to the left hand side and to this browser tab over here. You're going to get this nice looking browser. So come over to the top, clear up everything inside of this input field. Then you want to proceed to search for the third-party app APK that you want to be installed into your TCL Smart TV that is not on the Google Play Store. Now, let's take, for instance, if I want to download and install the Facebook app into my TCL Smart TV, obviously the Facebook app is not on the Google Play Store. So I'll just go ahead and type Facebook, then APK. So just the app you want, then APK. Once you're done typing, go ahead and click on the enter button over here, and then click on the go button at the top. Now, this will go through the Google search results and give us some of the websites you can actually get the Facebook app APK from the internet. At this point, you just want to scroll down and select any of the reliable websites you can actually get the third-party app APK. In this case, since I want the Facebook app, I'll go ahead and select the official Facebook website, and you can literally see the Facebook website over here. Download Facebook. I'll go ahead and select that. Then proceed to click on the download button over here. Now give the TV some few seconds, and that third-party app APK will be downloaded into your TCL Smart TV. At this point, you will be asked to give Downloader permission to install apps from unknown sources into your TCL Smart TV. Just go ahead and give it that permission by clicking on Settings, and then from over here, you want to enable that permission for the Downloader app. Click on the install button once again. This time, your third-party app will be installed into your TCL Smart TV without any issue. You can literally see mine has been installed. You can go ahead and click on the done button over here, so you can as well delete the Facebook app APK. Under files, you're going to find the Facebook app APK. We no longer need it because the app is already installed into our TCL Smart TV. So you can go ahead and delete it. And at this point, if you want to open up the Facebook app we just downloaded and installed, come over to the home of your TCL Smart TV once again. For some third-party apps, you're actually going to find find them under the app section of your TCL Smart TV. But for some, you may not be able to find them over here. You just want to scroll over to the settings, and then from the settings you want to come over to apps, then scroll down and click on see all apps. And from the list of apps over here, you should be able to find your third-party app you just downloaded and installed into your TCL Smart TV. If you do not find it from over here, you can just click on the show system apps and then continuously scroll down, and trust me, you should be able to find it as one of the apps under this category. You can literally see my Facebook Lite's third-party app. I can go ahead and open it up directly from here and start using it on my TCL Smart TV. Now basically, those are the two ways you can download and install apps on your TCL Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.